What's up everyone, I'm Kevin from Skandiamäklarna. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful apartment in Torrequebrada, second line. It has one of the best views on the coast, but let's save the best for the last. You will have plenty time to enjoy the views, especially after you have signed the papers. So let's have a look. So the apartment consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully renovated kitchen, a laundry room, and the property comes with 1 parking space in the garage and a really big storage room. Like I said, the best thing with this apartment is the view. Even here from the kitchen, I have a view. From the living room, I have the view. From the second bedroom, I have a view. From the master bedroom, I have a view. Even from the ensuite bathroom, I have a view. Wait. Now, obviously, you want to see the view and the terrace. I promised it to save it as last. So, as you can see in the video, there is still some time left. So let's go and see the pool areas. Yes, I said in plural, because there are in total 3 pool areas in the community. This one is a salt pool, and in the other one there is a kids pool as well. Now, for the golf lovers. Right around the corner you have the Torrequebrada Golf, 18 holes, practice facilities, and, of course, the clubhouse. But enough about golf, I'm hungry. If you don't feel like cooking at home, you can always just walk across the street down to one of the best restaurants in the area, called Jacuzzi. Have a nice meal and continue enjoying the view. Just below the restaurant we have this beautiful secluded beach, but now I think it's time to go and see the terrace. Now, finally, welcome to your private terrace. With your very own jacuzzi and the perfect view.